Everything you need to know for APCSA Unit 7, ArrayList. Starting now. An ArrayList is another type of data structure that can only hold object references, like strings and instances of classes. We can also hold primitive values by using their wrapper classes that will automatically convert each new value into its respective object reference type, also known as autoboxing. Compared to arrays, ArrayLists are dynamic and mutable, meaning that they do not require us to set a fixed size when instantiating the array list. Because of this, each array list initially constructs an empty list. However, indexing for array lists is the same as arrays, where it ranges from 0 up to the length of the array list minus 1. Any other number outside of this range will throw an out-of-bounds exception. Another important thing for array lists is that we need to include an import statement at the beginning of each program to use the ArrayList class, because the java.util package is not automatically imported. Here are some important ArrayList methods that you'll use when working with this data structure. The difference between the two add methods is that one adds an object to the end, and the other adds an object at a specified valid index, and the indices of all elements from the specified index position onwards, as well as the ArrayList size, will increase by 1. Similarly, the remove method removes the element at the specified index, and the indices of all elements to the right of the original element, as well as the ArrayList size, will decrease by 1. We can use a loop to iterate through a sequence of elements in an array list. However, if an algorithm requires us to modify an array list by deleting or adding elements during a traversal, we need to make sure to avoid skipping elements or creating infinite loops. This means we need to use special techniques to manage the traversal logic appropriately and not disrupt the iteration process. If an enhanced for loop is used, we should not delete or add elements during the loop, as it can cause an exception.